A guy named John wrote the song. They never played it live. They never played it live. I never heard any band play the song live. Before Detroit Rock City, before Boys Are Back in Town, before I ever heard lead guitars singing, playing beautiful melodies in harmony, there was this song that was the precursor, without cursing. See what I just did there? Those are semantics, but I'm not anti-semantic. No. Write that one down. You don't have to cross your arms. I know you're a big deal. It's not going to hide your stomach. It's okay. Just put your... And here it is. It's from a little band from Liverpool. It's called And Your Bird Can't Sing. To bring you down, look in my direction. I'll be brown. When your bird is broken, will it bring you down? You may be awoken. I'll be brown. Tell me that you want everything you've heard, and go back and sing, but you can't hear me. You can't hear me. That's pretty good.